Imagine a bathtub that unfolds from a slim panel in your wall in 3 seconds. No plumbing noise, no clutter, just a smooth white shell blooming open like a flower. Curious how it works and what happens when it vanishes again? Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know how this imaginary collapsible bathtub could save space, recycle water, self-clean, and even move with you to a new home, all while feeling like everyday magic. Picture this. Tiny apartment, long day, you dream of a hot bath, but there's only a shower. Now imagine you press one button, a hidden panel slides, and a full bathtub unfolds in front of you like an origami shell. That's our starting point. First, the structure. A flexible honeycomb frame hides in the wall, then expands like a concertina to full size. No metal joints exposed, just one continuous smooth shell that locks into place with a soft click you can almost feel. Next, the material. Think of a lightweight shell that remembers its shape. Folded 1,000 times, it springs back perfectly. Warm to the touch, non-slip inside, and thin enough to hide in a wall only a hand's width deep. Now the magic of water. Inside the frame, tiny channels guide the flow so the tub fills evenly from the bottom, like rising blue glass. When you're done, the water drains into a hidden tank for filtering and reuse, not straight to the sewer. But cleaning, you ask? When you step out, the tub seals its drain, releases a thin fan of cleaning mist, then folds partway while gentle rotating ribs wipe the surface. By the time it slides back into the wall, it's spotless. Energy use matters. Our collapsible tub talks to the home system. It fills only to your preferred level, reuses lightly used water for the next cleaning cycle, and gently reminds you if you're about to waste more than you planned. Transporting it is simple. The entire unit folds into a slim sealed module that detaches from the wall like a suitcase. Moving to a new city? You take your bathtub with you. Same comfort, same settings, zero renovation. So could a futuristic collapsible bathtub exist? With smart materials, modular walls, and water recycling, we're closer than it seems. Next time you see an empty wall in a tiny room, imagine the bath that might be hiding inside it.